Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sneha Sawan and I make manifestation technique videos. Thank you for keeping patience with my video. Actually, I'm uploading this video after so long because I was actually busy with something, and also I was busy with FB Law of Attraction program group. But since I realized that I should make a video so that I can also help people who are not in my FB Law of Attraction program group again. So actually I have got one great question in my group only about visualization technique. It is connected to visualization technique. So this video, I actually thought of making a video on this so that many people can take help from this. Before that, I will explain what is visualization. I have earlier made a video on this for XBAC also, but this is I am going to explain again what is visualization technique first, so that you can understand what I am talking about, so that you can get connected to what I am actually speaking. What is visualization technique? Here you set intention by visualizing your desire. Suppose you are trying to manifest your ex-back or a specific person. You have to visualize the best possible scenario in which you are, whatever you are experiencing should be the best possible scenario. You have to visualize this. Suppose you want your ex back. Now I'm giving you example from my side. Suppose you are visualizing your ex back. You can visualize you are sitting right now, closing your eyes. First of all, again, this is important. Closing your eyes and sitting at a place where nobody can disturb you at that time. We choose a time also. So first choose a time, then go there, sit where nobody can disturb you, and then visualize, closing your eyes, that you are sitting with your partner and that is the best thing happening around you. Whatever is happening is the best thing. Okay, you can visualize a great convo with your partner. This is what you have to do. Then you have to just thank the universe, the God, whatever you can say, the higher frequency, and you have to visualize that this is happening in present moment. You have to be in that received frequency and thank the universe or God, and again the higher frequency. Now here I had been asked a question that can we focus on the conversation when we are visualizing? My answer is yes, you can. Why? Because when you focus on the conversation, you focus on the words. From those words, vibrations come in your mind, and it actually creates the emotion. And emotion is the language of God, not the word. Emotion is the language of God, and it gets manifested. There are only two basic emotion: love and fear. Okay, I am actually going through Conversation with God book. You can also download it from Google, the PDF. I have downloaded PDF from Google of this book, Conversation with God, and here it is clearly said that there are two basic emotions, love and fear. From that every emotion gets generated. Okay, I hope I am making it clear. So yes, you can, here it is coming that yes, you can focus on the conversation, because the conversation are so loving. So you will generate those emotions, and it will really get manifested. The conversation are actually going to make your vibration more high, powerful, so that it can become your reality. Are you getting it? So yes, the conversation you are having when you are visualizing, when you are using this visualization technique for whatever desire you are visualizing, whatever desire you are trying to use this manifestation technique, visualization technique, if you are using this with conversation, it has more powerful impact. So yes, you can focus on the conversation. Suppose example, you are actually trying to get good marks. Of course, here you will need to take the action of studying, right? You can visualize that yes, your parents and you are sitting with the principal okay, or the dean of the college, and you all are having great convo, that the dean or the principal is saying that your daughter or your son has got this much marks, oh my god, this is so good, awesome, I am proud of him or I am proud of her, she has got 98%, 95%, 100%. If you can visualize that possibility, everything is possible, but it should be in your capacity to believe, okay. I hope I am making you clear that what you have to do. Yes, conversation should be focused when you are visualizing anything. Suppose you are visualizing X back. You are visualizing that you both are married and having a great convo. Now focus on the convo. What is the convo? Maybe they are saying to you, maybe they are telling you how happy they are in the marriage with you, right? Whatever you can visualize according to you. So yes, conversation again is, will create a powerful impact on your making of the reality of your manifestation. Go on, just visualize and focus on the happy conversation and generate those emotion, loving emotion, happy emotion, positive emotion, and get the manifestation result. And guys, you do not have to wait for anything. When you are waiting for the outcome, wait. This wait frequency is created and it is again and again getting manifested. Suppose you are like ma'am or Sneha, just call me Sneha. I am having all those kind of emotional pain. Then you are actually affirming that you are having emotional pain. So start thinking from today, guys. Start thinking all the opposite of negative. And see what miracle you can yourself create, okay, in your life. And I want you all to create miracles in your life. You are God. We all are God of our life. Just go on with, you just download this Conversation of God book. You will understand everything. This is a great book. Okay, I am recommending it. I hope I have made you clear that yes, conversation, focusing on the conversation and the words in the conversation when you are visualizing your desire is very powerful, and go on with it. Words have vibration too, which actually generates the emotion again. I hope I have made you clear. Thank you so much.